The Mach E should never have been called a Mustang. We love our internal combustion engines. Ford Mustang, I'm not mad at you. But Ford Corporate is the mysterious evil empire that is to blame for everything from price hikes to ticking coyote engines to the delays in getting the new Shelby GT500 to market. Now they are corrupting the blessed Mustang name by using it for the most non-Mustang car, nay, crossover, ever created. My world is shaken, my faith has been turned from a rock into vapor. Not only have you tarnished the shiny Mustang memories of my past, but you have turned my vision of the future into a twisting highway of confusion. As such, I shall address you, evil Ford corporate marketing decision makers, directly. Here are some facts that you apparently missed. Mustangs have 2 doors. Mustangs are rear-wheel drive, unless they are heavily modified. Mustangs are to be seen at gas stations, getting gas. Mustangs make Mustang noises. You wouldn't pay to see the Rolling Stones if Mick Jagger became mute. 5 people never said, "Let's take the Mustang." Mustangs must be revved at stoplights, even when you're alone. No exceptions. I know this is a small issue, but you don't climb up into a Mustang. The most effective leaders in the world never use the word frunk. I am struggling just to say that word right now. Ford, what were you thunking? Why would you untie this perfect bow of tradition? Why would you besmirch the Mustang name with the most non-Mustang vehicle you could design? Ford, my head is swimming with questions. Are you so secure in your belief that the Mustang brand is so world recognized as a best-selling sports car that you think you can sell whatever you slap the name on? Do you actually think people want electric cars when gas is plentiful, cheap, and conveniently available? Did you call it a Mustang to get people to believe that an electric car can be affordable, fast, and fun to drive? Do you think Mustang lovers and Mustang owners give a about the environment? Sure, I've seen stories in the news about car manufacturers and entire countries moving away from fossil fuel-burning vehicles. And while the Mustang isn't dead, it has been around for many, many years. And yeah, maybe the Shelby GT500 will be Ford's last really, really great American-made gas-guzzling muscle car. But as old as the Mustang brand is, why dishonor it by stealing its name while it's still alive? Headlamps, tail lamps, and a horsey badge is all they have in common. And the fact that they both look fun to drive and have sporty lines. And the technology is state-of-the-art, and the speed spec on the GT version is blindingly quick. But like I was saying, from a marketing point of view, it makes no sense. Sure, the Mustang name is known worldwide, and it's a best-selling brand. But are old-school, die-hard Mustang fanboys ready to own an electric vehicle? Can we afford what you're asking for them? Are we the least bit interested in all-wheel drive? Do you think we care about instant torque and constant velocity acceleration? And do you think we actually have enough friends and family to fill 5 seats? Come to think of it, yeah, this does sound kind of cool. And chances are, if you didn't call it a Mustang, then the world probably wouldn't have paid as much attention. And I probably wouldn't have made this video. And now, darn it, I think I've talked myself into wanting one. Well played, evil Ford corporate marketing empire. Well played indeed. Be good, be well, be safe, and let me know what you think in the comments below.
I fixed it.